In this short video, we tell you how to easily install your new dishwasher. Unpacking requires care, so to avoid damaging your new washing machine, do not use a sharp tool. Carefully read the instructions supplied. Your appliance will need to be installed near mains power and a hose point for drainage. The inlet hose is used to attach the water supply to the machine. Visually inspect it for any cracks or kinks, then connect it to the water supply and run a little water through it to ensure there are no leaks. Finally, link the inlet with the back of your machine. You will need to adjust the feet on the base of your appliance to ensure it is level. Loosen the plastic adjustment nut and alter the feet to the desired height. Tighten the nut to secure the feet in position. Use a spirit level to check the machine is balanced. This will keep it in place, reduce any vibration, and ensure an even wash whilst in operation. Fill the dishwasher with salt. Use the instruction manual to help if you need it, but simply unscrew the compartment and pour it in, replacing the cap afterwards. Now attach the arms firmly so they don't spin off during a wash. Carry out a manual test spin to make sure they're on properly. Now add your shelving to the runners. Many dishwashers have adjustable height baskets to make room for your larger pans and dishes. Now you're all set with your new dishwasher. We hope you love it.